Papaya is a delicious and nutrient-rich tropical fruit that provides numerous health benefits. Here are some of the most important benefits of eating papaya. 1. Digestive health. Papayas contain an enzyme called papain, which can aid in digestion and improve gut health. 2. Immune system boost. Papayas are an excellent source of vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and protect against illness. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Papayas contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties which can reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Improved heart health. Papayas are high in fiber which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Skincare benefits. Papayas contain enzymes that can help exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin, as well as vitamins A and C which can help with collagen production and reduce signs of aging. Overall, papayas are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can provide numerous health benefits for those who incorporate them into their diet.